Dahle and welcome to my channel, and today I'm doing a unboxing of a goodie bag. And if you hear noise in the background, I'm watching a dog and he is having the time of his life playing, as you can hear. So I went shopping and got a goodie bag from Blivakker, which is this one. So the value of this is supposed to be 1,000 Norwegian kroner or more, which makes it about $100 or more. So let's see what I was gifted. So the first thing is Sheila's Beauty Essentials Makeup Easily Remove Makeup Towels. And which color did I get? Ooh, I got purple. Hold on. I needed to see this. It's so soft. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. Oh my, wow. I'm impressed. So that was the number one thing. Putting it off to the side. Then the next thing, I actually won this in the spinning wheel. So this one is the Advanced Snail 92 All-in-One Cream from Never mind me, I don't know how to pronounce things. So this is what I got, and I'm excited to try this out because I never tried this one. So I would do a review on all of products or most of them and tell you my opinion. So I would do that. And Gloves by Sophia Lisa Soft Hand Drops Gradual Tanning in Medium. It's not bad. I mean, what does the packaging look like? I mean, when we are already looking at this, we might as well look at packaging as well. Which means I should be opening the other one. Ooh, actually, not bad. When you open it. Oh, it's a little spray. I thought it was gonna be one of those. Oh my gosh, what are they called? You use them in science where you squeeze to get liquid and then you droplet? Is that what it's called? Well, while we are opening packaging here, hold on. Why are they anti-theft? Let's see. There. Okay. And it looks like it comes with a manual. So that's what this one looks like. Next thing is Urban Glow 03 Cream Bronzer Warm-ish. Looks like this. Let's see this one. It's supposed to be this shade, by the way. So I'm like the worst person to open packaging with nails. The packaging is not made for women with nails, okay? They're just not made for that. Okay. Got it. Broke the packaging, but it's okay. Oh my gosh, it's thick. Cool. We need to test this out. Then I got True Soft Argan Oil Softening Hair Oil from Maria Nila, Stockholm. That looks like this. I love hair oils and good shampoos and conditioners, hair masks, and this is 100% vegan and animal friendly, so we definitely need to test this. Then I got Redken Acidic Bonding Concentrate Intensive Treatment, which is intense conditioning, fortifying, optimizing for colored hair, revitalize. Never mind, me and words, we don't go hand in hand. So I don't have colored hair, but what does it smell like? Ooh, it smells delicious. It smells really good. So then I got some Isle London 3/4 length lashes in the number 003 Featherlight Feel. That looks like this. And I love that they're natural, that they are like an extension of what you already have. And I love false eyelashes. I don't use them as much because where am I going with them? I live on the countryside. Then I got some Natural Glowing Skin Bronzing Water Face Mist by Saint-Tropez Self Tan, and which it looks like this essentially. And the next I got Binor. It depends. I think it's produced in Sweden, so Binor is what I would say. Hand cream, moisturizing and softening. If I'd known I got this in the Goodiebag, I would not have bought another hand cream for until next month, but it is what it is. So then I got some Art Deco Natural Cream Lipstick in Rouge à la Lèvre Crème Naturelle, if my French is not butchering this. But that is the shade. And I'm filming on 2 cameras, which is why you might see me looking here and there. I'm filming for TikTok and YouTube. But, ooh, this is what I call Christmas or winter. Like, look at that. Look at that. I'm not going to put it on because I'm wearing lipstick. Then I got some, ooh, stickers. So that's the store, Blivakker. That's the store, and a lot of stickers. No one gets ready like you. Well, obviously nobody takes this long because I take forever. I'm a perfectionist. It takes forever. So I got some Dermalogica headband, which is in gray. These are really handy for when you're doing your makeup. And this is good quality, is what I would say. And it has this grippy feeling. It's not slippery, it's really grippy. So I think even if you have silky smooth hair, this should hold your hair back. Then I got some Binor Scandinavia Hair Care, which is 2-in-1 quick dry heat protection spray. It looks like this. And oh, it has an interesting smell. It doesn't smell bad, but it doesn't smell, I don't know. Then, ooh, Bjorn Axen Heat Styling Protection protects up to 220 Celsius. So another another heat protection spray. It looks like this. It's pink. I love pink packaging, but that doesn't mean it's better. I would like to do a comparison between the two. The smell is it's not the same smell, but they get the same point on the smell, I would say. Then I have some Dermalogica Phyto Nature Oxygen Cream, which looks like this. And oh, it was easier to open. Ooh, this is perfect for travel. It's so tiny. Oh my god. After cleansing and toning, apply over face and neck in light upward strokes. Use twice daily, morning and night, to keep out of eyes. So now we know the directions. I have to honestly say, I don't know how to use every single product that's in here because I haven't read specifically what they're for. Bjorn Axen Moisture Conditioner for dry hair and scalp. This is what it looks like. Again, perfect for travel, especially if you're just gonna stay for like 2-3 days somewhere. Ooh. It smells Scandinavian. Oh, it definitely smells Scandinavian. This is Scandinavian in a bottle. Scandinavian products, I feel like they have this scent. Then I got some Be Noor shampoo and conditioner that looks like this. I have gotten this as a extra package when I've ordered from Blivakker before, and I know I'm allergic to this, so this will either go in the trash or be gifted to someone that I know, just if they want to try it. I am allergic. Well, my scalp is allergic. My hair, I think, I don't remember how my hair reacted, but my scalp did not agree with this. So and then Urban Glow Gold Crush Bronzing Palette, which is a keychain. Would you believe that? I feel like I have so many keychains, but at the same time, can you have too many keychains? Can you? Can you really? And this one was Mia names, please. I'm butchering this. Toriden or Toriden Dive In Soothing Cream, cleansing and vegan. It says in Korean on the back. Yes, that is Korean. And it says made in Korea, so that makes sense. So I think I would have to look up the instructions just to make sure I do this right, because if I'm doing a test, I want to make sure I do it right so that I can give you honest answers. It doesn't have a scent to it at all, so now we know that. And the last thing is a Urban Glow 03 Beauty Fluid Foundation testing packet. And I think I've tested this one before. I like the foundation, but back then it was too dark for me because I was so white. Now I tan, so this is the tan color I would get when I lived in Italy. So I can try this again and see if it's my shade. I will let you know if you want to know. But that is all I got in my goodie bag. So to get this goodie bag, you had to shop for, I think, $3.99 or more, and I did. And that will be in my shopping video. I think will come out next week. The first Tuesday of every month, I think, is when it comes out. So, apologize. So that will come out then. So I will keep you tuned in with how I like or don't like every product. And they will either be in a video with several products in one video or just one video for each. I don't know. I will let you know. But I will be completely 100% honest testing these things, because I hate when people lie and say something is good when it's not. But at the same time, you have to keep in mind that not everybody is the same. So it might be good for them, but not for me. So, you know, it's just one of those things. But thank you for watching. Thank you for staying. And thank you for the goodie bag, Blivakker. I love it. Oh, you know, it's so soft. It's so soft. Oh, okay. Thank you so much for spending time with me here today. So see you in the next one.